Google has finally launched 3 new Pixel phones globally called Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Among this 3, the Pixel 9 is the most affordable phone under this series, with all new AI features powered by Google's Gemini. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Pixel 9 smartphone. The Pixel 9 features a 6.3-inch Actua OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2700 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, and it has Titan M2 security coprocessor. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Pixel 9 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with up to 8x SuperRes zoom support, and it also features optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view. At the front it has 10.5-megapixel dual PD selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a large 4700 mAh battery, with 45 watts wired fast charging, and 15 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, and the company promises to offer 7 years of OS, security, and pixel drop updates. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 152.8 by 72 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 198 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Pixel 9 smartphone. The Pixel 9 has been priced as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale starting from August 22nd in hazel, porcelain, rose quartz, and obsidian color options. So, what do you guys think of this Pixel 9 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.